welcome to my kitchen. Well, how is everybody doing out there? Well, I am doing wonderful, and I am about to have a good time in my kitchen. So let's get started. Welcome to my kitchen. Yay! Well, today I am going to make my favorite stuffed chicken. And I'm going to start off with telling you all the ingredients that you're going to need because I want you to make it with me. How about that? So you're going to need the virgin olive oil, your seasoning salt, pepper, peeled garlic, lemon, chicken broth, parsley. That is all that you need. So let's go ahead on and get started. So first, the first thing that you want to do is that you want to get all your seasonings together. So what I did was my garlic, my peeled garlic, you want to take it in a pan and just boil it in water for like about 10 minutes. I already had it boiled, so I'm just going to go ahead and drain it. And I'm telling you, this garlic just gives off so much seasoning. Oh my goodness. It is going to be so delicious. There you go. You're just going to take your garlic. You're going to just peel the garlic kind of like thin slices, like so. Because we don't want to stuff chicken with it. And it's going to be so good. So I put about 8 cloves of garlic and boiled it. You see when you boil it,